Hey, it's Anissa, and I've got a real deal for you on the original Sticky Buddy. Now, I know you've seen this on TV. Let's take a look at the commercial.
Hi, Anthony Sullivan here for the Sticky Buddy, the sticky roller that has the power of glue without the goo. Dog hair, cat hair, spouse hair, mouse hair, cookie crumbs, kitty litter, birdseed or lint, it doesn't matter. Then just rinse it, dry it, and it's sticky all over again. It's perfect for quick cleanups and easily removes pet hair, dust, and lint from upholstery and pillows. Use it on all types of fabrics, even silk and suede, and it doesn't leave a sticky residue. Sticky Buddy has little rubber fingers that reach deep into your carpet. Use short strokes to gather the hair, then just flip it, roll it, and watch the hair stick to it. Then when it's full and dirty, just rinse it, dry it, and it stays sticky. Clothes, couches, comforters or car seats, keep your interior looking new, and say goodbye to crumbs on the car seat. Then just wash it, dry it, and it's super sticky and strong all over again, saving you money. You'll also get the detail size. Take it with you. It'll be there when you need it. Put it in your purse, pocket, desk drawer, or glove box. It even has a corner detailer with the same rubber fingers that gets into nooks and crannies. Same washability, same reusability, same sticky guarantee.
Now, let me tell you, it works every bit as good as what you've just seen. I'm a cat owner. I have an orange tabby. Look, I'm wearing black and there's no cat here. I use this every day. Now, in this kit, you get the original Sticky Buddy, the cover, which when you put it on, you can throw this in a drawer and you're not gonna stick to everything. And then the little travel size, which is also great for getting into corners like on a stairs. Now, we have a great price on this, so head on over the site, buy one for yourself and another for a friend.